channel. It's your savage girl Lexi. Today with another video, we're going to be baking a cake. Pumpkin dump cake. Hey guys, it's your girl Lexi. I am 16 years old with a syndrome called Danny Walker syndrome. I wanted to start this YouTube channel to show the world being different is incredible. Stay savage, don't be average. The first ingredient is 1 can of pumpkin puree.
Okay.
It ain't coming out.
"2,000 years later."
Now a can of evaporated milk. 3 eggs. We need a teaspoon of brown sugar.
Number 1. Number 2.
You may want to do another half one because that wasn't very much. That's good. And then a cup
of flour?
sugar.
Now we are gonna pour this in there. So you always have to be careful. Ew, it looks like.
The next step is sprinkle dry cake mix on top of that. So you're gonna take that cake mix in there. So this recipe says spice cake mix, but we use just yellow cake mix. It's much better.
Better. I may need a little help. Thanks to my mamacita. I might do it.
Sprinkle it evenly around there. Bake it for 50 minutes. Now this is kind of ish what it's supposed to look like. What do you say, Lex?
Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. We'll see you in an hour. Peace out. We are back. And this is made. So let's get it out. That looks good. Look at that. Yes.
Oh my God! Wow!
That's so delicious. Taste test time!
Taste test time!
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Sorry, if you're rolling. Make sure you stay savage, don't be average, and we'll see you all in the next video. Wait, before I go, I just want you to know You're perfect, you're one of a kind, and God loves you. And make sure you stay savage, don't be average,